Now we will learn about while loop. What is while loop? While, by this keyword you can assume what it means. While means there should be one specific condition. All time the condition should be checked. Every time the condition is true, the loop will run. Whenever the condition break, the loop will be break. Right? For that, like for, there are I, in, range, like that. Okay, but in while loop, there is not I, in, range, like that. Okay, here what happens, you have to define a variable like initial value x equals to 1. You are telling while x less than 10, print the value of x, and every time increment the x by 1. If you run it, you will see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. If you put equal here, it will include 10. No issue. Now you will ask why I am incrementing. Use your logic. Here is 1. Here is 1 less than equals to 10. True. Print 1. No issue. Suppose I am not writing it here. Print 1. No issue. Then again 1 less than equals to 10. Yes. Again 1. 1 less than equals to 10. Yes. 1. If you run it, you can see 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 like that. What it is generating? It is generating infinite loop. You have to kill the terminal. You have to kill the terminal because it will generate and it will not break. It will keep generating 1. For that reason, because there is a specific condition, to hit the condition you have to modify the value of x. If you run it, you can see. If you suppose you only increment it by 2, you can see 1 3 5 7 9. Not only this, you can also by modification with some another value 2. You can see 1 less than equals to 10, 1 printed. Then x equals to 1 into 2, that is 2. Is 2 less than equals to 10? Yes, 2 will be printed. Then 2 into 2, 4. 4 less than equals to 10? Yes, 4 will be printed. 4 into 2, 8. 8 less than equals to 10? Yes, 8 will be printed. 8 into 2, 16. 16 less than equals to 10? No, false, break. Automatically, it will be out of this loop because the condition satisfied. It will keep running and it will check all time the condition. Whenever it will be true, it will be inside the loop and the loop will be continued. And whenever the loop will be not satisfy the condition, it will break. It will stop that particular loop because the base condition hitting, right? So this is the basics of while loop, and you can do same thing in while loop like that. Everything whatever you can do in for loop, that will be in while loop. These all are iterative statements, looping statements. You can use whenever you want something like that, like while. Okay, no issue. Now we'll see more examples like break statement. What it will do, you are telling if x is equals to 4, break. Else means if this is not true, then continue the loop. And don't forget to initialize the modify the step. Now if you run it, x plus equals to 1. You can see here what happens. You can see here what happens. Now here suppose I am taking one example here. When the x equals to 4, it is breaking. But here nothing is printed. You want the values to be printed because you will able to keep track of the values whenever it is breaking. If you print x here, if you run, wait a minute. Here you can see it is printing infinite loop. So we have done some mistake. Where we have done some mistake? If you come here, what we have done? Let's explore. The initial value we have given x equals to 1, x less than equals to 10. I will print x. No issue. No problem. And what we will do? X equals to x plus 1. If I run it, 1 to 10 it will be printed. No problem. Now, if x equal 5, then I am telling it break. Now run it. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5, what it is doing? It is stopping that loop. That I have a one condition that if x equals to 5, then break. No problem. Now I will do some another twist. What is the twist? If x equals to 5, continue, and if not x equals to 5, print x. What will the x will? What is the value of x? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Why 1, 2, 3, 4? 1 less than equals to 10? Yes. Is x equals to, is 1 equals to 5? No. Print 1. Okay, no problem. 2. Now x is 2. 2 less than equals to 10? Yes. Is 2 equals to 5? No. Print 2. 3, 4, same. Now x equals to 5. Is 5 less than equals to 10? Yes. Is 5 equals to 5? Yes. Continue. Means no need to come here. 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 It will again go here. X equals to 10. Less than equals to 10. So if this thing happens, if this thing happens, if I run it, you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why? What happens? What we have done? Before these changes, what was there before the changes? I told if 5 is there, continue. But when I told it continue, the x is not modified. X is still 5. So every time it is checking 5 equals to 5, continue. 5 equals to 5, continue. 5 equals to 5, continue. Then while 5 less than equals to 10. So every time the condition comes here. That's why the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is not printed. Because I have not modified the value of x. But whenever I have done some changes here, that if x equals to 5, change the x, change the value of x and continue. Means if x equals to 5, now x equals to 6, but continue. Means no need to print the value of x. Come here. Again 6 less than equals to 10, yes. Is 6 equals to 5? No, print 6. So for this 5, whenever it will hit this continue, it will not come after that line. After this line, continue will never come here. After this continue keyword, whenever Python reads that, Python interprets this. After this line got, it understood that I don't need to go after this continue statement because the user wants that for this case no need to print the values, right? But he is very confident that for my number others should not be printed. It does not want. That's why I have changed the value, because it will, if you don't change it here, all the time the loop will stuck here. The loop will not come out from this line and it will not print 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For that reason I have changed the value of x and continue. It means for this x equals to 5, skip the number after 4, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Understood? So where to use break? Break means if x equals to 5, break. Means you are telling that whenever you will find x equals to 5, then no need to print after 5. So it should print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because if 5 is there, the 5 will not be printed. But if you want to print 5, just write here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. If x equals to 5, then it will print x, that is 5. Then break. After 5, it will be breaked. So break will be used whenever you need to explicitly want to terminate the loop for some specific condition. It is the condition. Same as continue means for some specific condition you want to skip that particular values evaluation, like this one. Whenever 5 is there, don't need to print me, just keep my execution flow. Just skip my execution flow. Don't need to print me. It will not execute after the continue keyword anything. It will generate up new values. Like here for 5 it will not print, but whenever it will come 6, it will same again print it like before. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But 5 will not be printed because user wants that I want to tell Python interpreter that for this case I don't want to do anything. Okay, so suppose if you come here, suppose I have a list 1, 2, 3, minus 9, 5, 6, then 6, 5. For I in list, what it will do? I am telling print I every time. Print I every time. Check. Print I, no issue. Now there is a specific condition. If I is less than 0, continue. Print I. What it will do? First 1. 1 less than 0? No. Print 1. 2 less than 0? No. Print 2. 3 less than 0? No. Print 3. Minus 9 less than 0? Yes. continue. Don't need to print anything. 56 less than 0, no, 56 printed. 65 less than 0, no, printed. Come here. 1 2 3 5 6 6 5 minus 9 skipped. Minus 9 for some specific condition I have skipped. I have continued the loop execution. I do not want that negative value should print. No problem. Now I am telling, if negative value printed, break. What it will do? 1 2 3 negative value printed, minus negative value checked, I is minus 9 here, 1 less than 0, 2 less than 0, 3 minus 9 less than 0, no, yes, minus 9 less than 0, break, break, break. After 1 2 3 you can see 56 65 not printed, breaked. The loop come out, the loop execution stopped. So this is the basic things about the continue and break statements, right? And now if I write here pass, what it will do? Whenever the value less than 0, it will be passed. Hey, the minus 9 is less than 0, I know that, but for this case let it be, let it print. Is 1 less than 0? No. 2 less than 0? No. 3 less than 0? So everything is printed. 1 2 3. Then minus 9 less than 0? Yes. Oh, you want to allow the minus value should print? Yes, I am allowing that. Minus 9 less than 0? Yes. Pass it, no issue. Pass means it will come here, print statement. So minus 9 will be printed. So what is the difference between continue and pass? Continue will skip that particular condition, and pass will allow the particular condition to be executed. And what is the difference between break? Break will terminate the loop for some specific condition. That is the difference. This is the basic things. Thank you for watching. We will discuss more and we will practice more problems in the future videos. Thank you for watching.